So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a interactive column chart to your Keynote presentation. So once that is opened up, once your Keynote presentation is open up, go to the top here and press on chart. Make sure that the interactive tab right here is selected. Now there's four different options. For the first one right here is the one that you're looking for, so go ahead and press on that. Now if you want to verify first off that you have the correct chart, what you can do is press on the chart right here, go to this right hand side, scroll down to the bottom to where it says chart type. As you can tell, it says interactive column. You can just verify by making sure there's a check beside it. What this basically does is if you want to have a column chart, but over time you want to change the data, this is what the interactive part of the column chart looks like. Just like that. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to add an interactive column chart to your Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.